Multiple choice. Type the letter in the yellow box for the correct answer. Number 1. A blank is a form of government in which citizens choose their leaders by voting. A. Empire, B. Dictatorship, C. Republic, or D. Monarchy. Number 2. The blank made up the ruling class of Rome. A. Consuls, B. Patricians, C. Plebeians, or D. Judges. Number 3. Blank made up the patrician class. A. Craftspeople, B. Merchants, C. Farmers, or D. Rich landowners. Number 4. Under Roman law, A. A person was thought to be innocent until proven guilty. B. Accused people could defend themselves in front of a judge. C. A judge was expected to think carefully about evidence before making a decision in a case. Or D. All of the above. Number 5. The Roman Republic's set of laws was called the A. 12 Tables, B. 25 Theses, C. 10 Commandments, D. Standards of Justice.